Ghost Bike only appeared during the full moon of Wheeloween to steal all the goodies for himself. Stealing goodie bags is bad, but this ghost stole my goodie bag. That's even worse. We have to stop the Ghost Bike. It went that way. Let's zoom! Which way now? Let's try this way.
Look at this, guys. Someone's been dropping candy wrappers.
My candy! That's my chocolate candy!
Let's follow the trail.
Even a ghost bike can't resist that sweet, sweet candy. Does anybody have any candy? Just one piece, one lick of a lollipop. Anything. Well, he couldn't have gone that far.
Let's look from the sky. Zoom cam, go!
Rock out, Miss Spikely.
Vroom, vroom, rev and roll.
There it is again! The ghost bike that stole my treats!
Follow it, buddies.
It's heading for Maxwell's!
Then that's where we'll grab this ghost.
I don't see anything.
We'll find him faster if we split up.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble this time, Supersonic Boy.
Vroom boy.
Supersonic Boy is better.
Hold on, you two. We'll find a way to get you down.
Whoa!
Now that is a real rescue bike.
Ricky, you're going to need to winch him down. Do you think you can do that?
Me? Really?
You're my sidekick.
Ricky to the rescue!
How's this?
That's it, Ricky. Slowly.
Maybe I do need a sidekick. Steel Awesome saves everyone! But who saves Steel Awesome? It's genius.
There you are, ready to save another day.
That was amazing! If only we could get this on camera.
You say hello to Zoomcam.
This book is coming apart. Coming, Ricky. Grab on, sidekick. Gadgets, go! Hang on!
Hurry up, Ricky!
I've got you, Toot. Here we go. Hold on! Awesome! Incredible! Steel Awesome did it! Go on, Ricky! Yeah!
Ricky, your performance was as brave as Steel Awesome's best rescue scenes, and really funny too.
Way to go, Ricky. That was fun. How does that keep happening?
Thanks, everyone!
We did it!
Next time you're in trouble, just call for Squeak Awesome!
That was so fun!
Best Steel Best ever!
Ricky, can you teach me to wobble like that? How's this?
Sorry, Toot. Is the wobbling making it hard to ride?
No! It's fun! Do you really have to get it fixed? You're not Toot, I'm Toot. And you're making me miss the end of the movie.
Your hypnotizing machine won't hypnotize anyone else today, Muffler Crunk.
But I like hypnotizing. It's fun.
It's a movie?
What's a movie? What's happening?
But that means my dad isn't hypnotised by Muffler Crunk, so that means he really needs me. Bike buddies, let's zoom out to the bridge. Dad, Mum, I'm here.
Ricky, what took you so long?
We need your help. It's hard to explain, but I'm here now.
Never haul bricks and a pipe at the same time. Bit off more than I can chew here, eh?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! DJ, Scootio, he used the crane! Got it! Lift it up! Did it!
Or teach your dad how to speak drone.
Come on! We have to catch up! It's blocked!
Oh, hello, DJ and friends.
We need to get across!
We can't right now. We have got this very big pipe, you see.
But I have to get across! I just have to! I made a mistake and I have to fix it!
We can't get it out of the way. But what if the pipe is the way?
Thanks, Mumblers!
Here we go!
Dad's light! Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! out, Wheelford, with a Zoomtastic Gang! And now let's get to it!
Rev on!
Scootbox, shine! Don't worry, Muffler Crump will capture your little bikes!
Thanks, Luke. Oh, it's still awesome here too.
Even better! We are ready to roll, Ricky!
Okay, everybody, follow Luke.
Huh?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! Don't worry, I gotcha!
Wow! That was amazing!
All right, everybody. And now let's get home before the storm hits.
What an adventure!
You're telling me? The Zoomtastic Gang scared off Muffler Crunk before he even showed up!
Well, maybe Muffler Crunk didn't come this time. But if he does, we'll be ready for him.
You bet! Backwards boosters, go!
Luke!
Oh, I spilled the push pins. That's the one thing I was supposed to not do.
I got it! Watch out!
Maxwell, we have a 4-3-2. It's a giant disaster.
We just finally started playing. We told Maxwell we'd help him for the day. So that's what we should do, right?
Yeah!
Let's do this!
We can help! Ha!
Officer Bunker, this is Ricky Zoom. Maxwell is, busy, but we can help.
Ricky, there's been a big pushpin spill. A whole lot of bikes have flat tires. We need to tow them to the garage and fix their tires.
We're on it, Officer Bunker. Okay, buddies, it's going to be a lot of work. But Maxwell and the whole town needs us. Rev and roll! Let's do this!
Oh! Found the tyre patches!
Boom! Perfect! I'll start towing the bikes.
Come on, Scootbox, this way! Come on! To the left, to the left! Just a little bit! Oh, no, down, down! Good job, Scootbox!
But no, had to be a police officer. What's that? water bunker reporting a code. A code? There is no code for this. It's Steel Awesome.
When the law needs help, just watch the steel.
Engine trouble.
Oh no! I need to go back!
Oh, here he comes!
Now, how does steel land? The comics never show how he lands. That's cheating! We have to save her!
Only one way off this volcano.
She's right at the edge! Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Hold on, Mrs. Bikely! Boom! I got you! I think...
Oh, hang glide! Woohoo!
DJ digging in!
Zoom can, go!
Another victory for Steel Awesome! Until next time.
I think her dream mission is over.
Not quite. She still needs to get home.
Hey, kids, you didn't fall asleep, did you?
No, we're good. Wide awake.
Good. There's no sleeping on a stakeout. Now then, rule 921.
Mrs. Bikely? Mrs. Bikely? What's gone wrong? My brake fluid again?
Sorry! We've got to do something to save Mrs. Bikely.
Bike buddies, wheel it in!
Not Steel Awesome!
Not our boo! Mrs. Bikely is still awesome!
We need more speed, like Steel Awesome. Bike buddies, I have an idea! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Time to do something about that gizmo! Scootio, Luke, can you look out for Mrs. Bikely? Yes! DJ, can you bring that board over here? Yes!
Oh, she's coming back!
Ricky to the rescue! something. I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
Okay then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole! Mum! Dad!
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me, film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Oh, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say. Yes! And
Mum said I should listen to you, and I didn't.
right! That's what I was going to say.
And I'm really, really sorry. And whoa, have you seen how high this is?
I probably should have let you have more fun. I just wanted to keep you... Whoa! This is really high.
Yeah, I think I want to do the zigzag again. That bump was high enough. Yay, bump!
I don't think there's another way down. What if we do it together? I think I know how to make it safe and fun. Scootio, I need Zoom Cam to bring us something. Got it! Ready, Toot?
I am if you are.
Then get set, go! Whoa! Having fun now, Toot?
Way better in the zigzag.
Whoa! I don't believe it! Toot went on the ramp up! She's the bravest bike I ever saw! That was so exciting!
It was amazing. You guys have to try it. If you have a big brother to go down with you.
Yeah! I think I'm gonna do the ramp up too! I'm ahead now, but not for long! See, Dasher? I'm winning! Dasher! Gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace. Ashley Ace, the speedster! Whoa! So cool! Let's go! Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me. Oh, I can't come. We'll race later, though. Okay? See you later, guys! I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Winchell Point. Ricky versus Ricky! wish they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help!
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there!
What was that?
This is fun! Almost there! Way! Yay! Ricky! Hello. Oh.
There's Ricky!
And the bike sphere?
It had to get rolled here sooner or later, right? I guess I took care of that for you.
Well, that's great, Ricky, but we're not ready yet. We still need you and DJ to finish the job.
What is the job?
Oh, I tell you, flatten that huge pile of sand all around the lot with this big heavy roller here. Woohoo!
It's a big job. It might take you all day.
We have a better idea. Sorry I didn't help earlier, DJ, but we're doing a zoom-tastic job now.
Smart kids. I wish I'd thought of that.
All right, the lot is ready.
I'm speeding up again!
Where are we? I still can't see.
Just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell! I know! New plan! Scootio, skatebox, go! This is our last chance! Scootbox, flip him upside down!
What?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go!
Hooray!
We stopped! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun.
Maxwell, we might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light?
Oh, yeah.
All aboard the bike train! One-way express to the bike lane.
Zoom cam, go! Zoom cam will show us the quickest way back to Maxwell's. There it is!
Let's go!
We've made it!
Yeah! Now time to get this wax off. Blip!
Help!
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
I don't want to go in the water. It's wet.
Grappling hook, go!
Hey?
Let's get everybody slippery. Scootio! Wax remover?
2 drops, no more.
No ding. Good. I'm done with dings. I'm just going to be careful to stay clean all on my own.
Oh, great job, kids.